Alright, we got a no heat call at a house that we put a 20 SEER AC and modulating high-end gas furnace setup in, but thank the Lord it's not that system that's giving trouble. It is the Rheem system that is downstairs, I guess, in his basement. So there's the condensers over there, and it looks like see a piece of Plex vent, that old ultra vent type stuff sticking out of the wall there. So obviously it's going to be an 80% Rheem gas furnace hooked to that. I haven't seen it yet, so let's go in here and see what's going on, see if we can fix it for him or possibly sell him the second system. Alright, it's a Rheem Criterion. And there you see the ultra vent drain. Well, I can remember the days of doing that. So anyway, I already heard it. I heard the gas valve come on and spray gas. There it goes again. So this ought to be an easy fix. That's good. So most of the time we got a light switch around here.
Yep, I got the circuit boards right here. There should be, I think there should be.
Because the breaker is right there, they don't have it marked. Yeah. Beautiful.
And also, did they just go bad all of a sudden?
Well,
I haven't had any. I mean, I turned it off to see if I had a gas leak, and I called Piedmont Gas and put that on. The average this year for the month of December was 40 degrees. Last year it was a little over 50 degrees.
Well, that's average.
Average, yeah. No. So you got your.
Look at how many days we had the
Oh, I know.
freezing weather. I mean, it's. So I'm not surprised that your bill's doubled.
Can I hold the light for you?
I can see. Real good. I just put it in a tight spot up in there. Getting the new one in there without beating it up will be the trick. So we can see that that's
totally corroded.
Busted spot right in the middle of it there. That's all white right there. So let's go get one. Yeah, I don't care about the light. Now, so we're going to light it with this one time. At least I think we are. There we go. Just to show the homeowner how to do this in case this ever happens again. So, yep, but you have to wait
Till it kicks.
Yep, and usually if it'll stay lit like that, that's good, because you can see, but it usually sucks it out, and you end up having to do it 2 or 3 times. But since that is not sucking the flame out, I'm just going to let it sit there. But I heard it a minute ago, so I know it's going to. Sometimes you can learn the sequence and wait a little longer. So here it comes. See? So whenever
That's all you got to do.
igniter goes out again, you might can get one cycle, do it at night, do it the next morning, whatever.
Right, just warm it up enough.
Until I can get here, until somebody can get here. So while this is burning, we'll go see about getting another one to fit in this bracket.
Ted, there's no, how does it?
Alright, this is not exact, but we can certainly make this one work. So cut the plug off of that one. Strip it back. And we'll take this. So, as difficult as it is to get in there, you have a couple of choices. You can take the gas valve and the burner loose and take this off, which if we had a flexible line right here, that's what I would do. I would just take this off out of the way and have easy access to reach in there. But that not being the case, and I keep the screw loaded, ready to go.
Just had to, my son bought a house, and it's got a overhead door garage opener, and within my years I've learned that that's a special garage door opener. I bought him a universal keypad, but I didn't research the garage door opener. Do you want me to hold that for you while you're putting it in?
No.
You're all right.
Yeah, I'll probably do worse if...
Anyway, it turns out that garage door opener is as old as the house, 20 plus years. And then I have to go and buy a radio transmitter, a receiver, to attach to the back of the power head
Yeah.
that would work with the... So instead of a $50 remote, I ended up with a $110 remote and receiver.
Well,
but it worked. So, but the whole point, and I was using part of his tools. I didn't bring my tools over there, and I had a bolt in the end of a socket, and it wasn't like a screwdriver like you've got, but it wasn't magnetized.
oh Lord.
I dropped from an 8-foot ladder.
Yeah.
And it took me
10
minutes to
times.
find that little frickin' bolt.
Yep. Once we get both of these in here. A little bit more of a relaxed operation here. So, sticking right down there where we need it. And all we're going to do is plug our wire back in. And take a quick double check look at it.
Interesting.
Make sure it's not too short or too long. And it looks like it should be fine. So let's cut her back on and watch it work.
So the next foot should be the igniter getting hot.
Yeah, well,
And the next one is the gas, right?
yep. As long as it does now. igniter doesn't ignite, then we're going to need a board. So let's hope that's not the problem. There she comes. Good. So this should fire right up, and
First big things happening this year.
we should.
We got sick kids and just all kinds of fun. So that gets hot, then the gas clicks on, these are the screws, huh?
Right. Pretty slow. One problem is there it's going
I
out.
was going to say, igniter should go
Man,
off,
that
right?
needs to go out. Yeah, those things take pretty tough abuse. So if it lasted 20 years, I'd say that's pretty good. I don't know if this one will last us 20 years or not. I don't know, but pretty simple repair. So you should be back in business. And I'm sure this will be a better weekend for these people than it looked like they were going to have. So that was quick and easy. Let's hope the next one is the same way. Thanks for watching.